Hey everyone, if Notion is stuck loading or not opening at all, don't worry. This guide will walk you through some quick fixes to get it working again. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Notion depends on cloud syncing, so if your connection is weak or unstable, it may not load properly. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. A simple reload can fix temporary glitches and often gets Notion working again right away. Now try clearing your browser or app cache. Corrupted cache files can prevent Notion from loading correctly, so clearing them can solve the issue. If you're using Notion in a browser, disable extensions temporarily. Some extensions can block scripts or interfere with loading, so turning them off can help identify the problem. Also check if Notion servers are down. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side, and if there's a server outage, you may just need to wait until it's resolved. Finally, make sure your Notion app is updated. Updates usually include bug fixes and performance improvements that can fix loading issues. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix Notion when it's not loading and get everything running smoothly again. Hey everyone.